Hey guys, it's Yamina Hall here, and today I want to do a quick video about Russell Brunson's new book coming out, Software Secrets, and he's actually doing a free web class, guys, which you can actually get registered for here for free. So this is basically a new book that he has out or coming out, and it's Software Secrets. So you want to create and sell your own software or app. This book is going to show you how you can actually do that. So this is great, guys, because if you're not like techie, you don't even know where to start, you don't know anything about coding, this book is going to help you out. Now he also, I believe there's a course that you can get as well, but right now at the moment you can get access to this class. Okay, so this is how to create and launch your own software or app in the next 90 days. So you can have your own app or software in 90 days. And what you're going to learn how to do, why do you want to create your own app or software, right? So say you may want to start a new business. Maybe you have a business already and you're trying to add recurring income to an existing business, or maybe you're trying to increase, the value of what you already have that you're selling and everything else. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that that you can do with this book and this training, guys. So here it is. You can register your seat now. All you need to do is click on the orange button here, register your seat for the web class, and I'll see you guys on the inside.